We are all used to round watches, with 3 hands, maybe chronographs, or maybe add some complications. But sometimes there comes some innovation, something different. Meet the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso. It is a quintessential timepiece that exudes timeless elegance and exceptional craftsmanship. Introduced in 1931, the Reverso's distinctive feature is its reversible case, making it practical for wear during polo matches by allowing the wearer to protect the watch face. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Reverso's Art Deco-inspired design showcases a perfect blend of form and function. This iconic timepiece is a symbol of horological excellence, with its sleek, rectangular case and exquisite dial presenting a versatile canvas for both classic and contemporary designs. The Reverso collection offers a range of models, from the understated to the ornately decorated, catering to diverse tastes and preference. Whether adorned with minimalist details or intricate complications, each Reverso timepiece upholds Jaeger-LeCoultre's tradition of precision engineering and impeccable aesthetics. Celebrated for its seamless fusion of heritage and innovation, the Reverso remains a revered and enduring symbol of Jaeger-LeCoultre's commitment to exceptional watchmaking. With its timeless design and remarkable versatility, the Reverso continues to capture the hearts of watch aficionados and connoisseurs around the world. The Cartier Tank Basculante is a marvel of horological ingenuity, embodying the brand's legacy of sophistication and innovation. This distinctive timepiece, introduced in 1932, derives its name from the French word basculer, meaning to tip or to tilt, in reference to its unique swiveling case. With its iconic rectangular shape inspired by the silhouette of military French tanks, the Tank Basculante epitomizes timeless elegance and modernity. The ingenious mechanism of its reversible case allows the wearer to effortlessly rotate the watch within its frame, offering a dual-faced display that combines practicality with a touch of theatricality. Beyond its mechanical prowess, the Tank Basculante is a testament to Cartier's mastery of design, featuring clean lines, bold Roman numerals, and a seamlessly integrated crown that epitomize understated luxury. Whether in stainless steel or precious metals, each iteration of the Tank Basculante exudes a distinct sense of refinement and artistry. From its inception to the present day, the Cartier Tank Basculante remains a symbol of sophistication and versatility, a timepiece that effortlessly transitions between functionality and style. Its timeless appeal and innovative design continue to captivate aficionados of fine watchmaking, cementing its status as an enduring icon in the world of luxury timepieces. And now, for the only round watch of this list, we have the Russian Code. The Raketa 0224 watch is a testament to the brand's enduring legacy and technical expertise. This timepiece exemplifies Raketa's commitment to precision, engineering, and innovative design, showcasing a blend of timeless aesthetics and contemporary sensibilities. The Raketa Russian Code's distinctively bold and modern design sets it apart as a statement piece, offering a captivating fusion of form and function. You may look at this watch and maybe won't understand why this is such a peculiar watch. But it is only when you pay attention that you realize that this watch runs counterclockwise. The Russian brand Raketa has some history with space. It was the first brand to have a watch in space. The counterclockwise movement of the hands mimic the true movement of the moon in regards to Earth. As a matter of fact, every celestial body in regards to the sun moves counterclockwise. But the moon is represented on the second's hand, circulating the Earth represented on the dial. For enthusiasts seeking a watch that marries heritage with a contemporary edge, the Raketa Russian Code stands as a compelling choice. Its spirited aesthetic and technical prowess make it an emblem of Raketa's enduring commitment to crafting timepieces that speak to the discerning taste of modern watch connoisseurs. From polo games to space, from Switzerland to Paris to Russia, these were 3 different and peculiar watches. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.